Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Okay, you want a little toolkit to carry around in your bike? The ideal thing. This is your Cruise. Covers everything you like to need if you break down, which on a Harley you never will. Anyway, as you can see here, you get all your spanners, you get your Torx, which they call star wrenches. They're all stars in America. Okay, you got your Allen keys, you got your tire gauge. Very important, your tire pressures. I cannot stress enough. This is very, very important. Okay, you got your quick release screwdriver. You can actually put other bits in as well if you've got some other bits to put them in as well, which will then fit into that standard magnetic screwdriver. Okay, you've got baling wire, shit like that as well, if you break down to tie bits back on. God help us, I used to do that on my Triumph. And as you can see here, you've got combination wrench, 3/8, 7/16, ½ inch, 9/16, 10mm. You've got a screwdriver, you've got a tire gauge, plug socket, 13/16, 5/8. That should do both sizes, so that does your sports, your twin cams, your Evos, all of them. Star wrenches, T25, T27, very important, a 27 and a 40. Okay, this is basically holding a lot of things on, like seats and a lot of your engine bolts, the Torx. Okay, mechanics wire, which is obviously special wire for mechanics, cable clips, and a rag or shop towel they call it. Basically top quality. Cruz, American made. They are very good quality, not the eBay shite that you normally get. If you're interested, give us a call, 01773 835 666, customcruisers.com, and be safe with that bloody virus. Okay, be safe guys, that is a killer. I mean, it's forces, and believe me, that is a bag of shit virus that they've developed to kill people. Thank you. Customcruisers.com, the main site. The other new site, which is pretty cool, but we're still getting there, we're putting a blog on it and everything, customcruisers.eu. Do feel free to check that out. Give us your feedback. If you think it's a bag of shit, tell us. But customcruisers.eu, not a lot on it yet, but I'll be honest with you, it is a very good site. And also remember our back to fin state fuel stabilizer. This will stop your fuel going off, because let's face it, after 2 months your fuel's like treacle, knackers all your tank, rusts it, buggers all your injectors up, buggers all your fuel pump up and everything. And your carburetors is a major strip down, because as it starts to decay, it will totally destroy your fuel lines, your rubber diaphragms, a lot. If you need some back to fin, give us a call, 01773 835 666, or alternatively you can buy it, go to the Wagner's logo on the left, customcruisers.com. Full range of Zodiac parts, virtually everything that Zodiac do is now on our site as well. Look for the Zodiac logo. And Ultima, of course, always done the Ultima stuff. S&S dealer, we fit big motors, whatever you're interested in, give us a call. Thank you.